Going to repair this Yamaha digital gauge indicator. This is for big bike which is no power. Let's see if the microcontroller is working. Input of microcontroller is working. Also the output, it is 10 megahertz frequency. Hello guys, good morning. This is the continuation of repairing of this Yamaha panel indicator, which is for a big bike. Now I just only plucked this through perseverance. That's why I repaired it. So now it is working. We will test for several minutes so that we can assure that it is working properly. We have to observe this, and then I made it schematic diagram so that to trace where is the supply going. So guys, thank you for your watching this video. By the way, the problem of this, the blocking diode of the secondary supply of microcontroller is leakage. That's why I replace it, and then this is the result. It's work right now. So guys, thank you very much again for your watching. See you in next video. Bye.